Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato ice cream. First, let's gather our ingredients. Gelato is distinct from ice cream, using more milk and less cream, which results in a lower fat content, typically between 4 and 9%. You'll also find it often contains fewer egg yolks, or sometimes none at all. A classic base includes milk, sugar, and your chosen flavoring, like vanilla or chocolate. This simple combination is key to its unique texture and intense flavor. Now, let's create the creamy base. Begin by gently heating your milk, sugar, and any stabilizers in a saucepan over medium heat. If your recipe includes egg yolks, remember to temper them by slowly whisking a small amount of the warm milk mixture into the yolks before adding them back to the pan. Continue cooking, stirring constantly, until the mixture slightly thickens and reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, strain the base through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a perfectly smooth texture. With your base ready, it's time for chilling and churning. First, ensure your gelato base is completely chilled in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. This is crucial for optimal texture. Next, churn the cold base in your ice cream maker for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remember, gelato is churned at a slower speed than ice cream, which incorporates less air, giving it that dense, rich mouthfeel. Finally, transfer the churned gelato to an airtight container and freeze for at least 2 hours to firm up. Congratulations, your homemade gelato is ready to enjoy. For the best experience, allow it to soften at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Gelato is typically served slightly warmer than traditional ice cream, which truly enhances its vibrant flavors and smooth texture. Feel free to garnish with fresh fruit, toasted nuts, or a decadent drizzle of chocolate sauce. Any leftover gelato can be stored in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 week, though it's best enjoyed fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.